So in many ways, this question is very similar to this 2020 question, where you have this expression that also shows up. And the key step here is to rewrite this as divided by 2 cosine times x of x plus 1. And what you have to recognize here is that if you use the arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality, which is this, and a is 2 to the x, and b is 2 to the minus x, then what you will find that a times b, which becomes the product of these two, that's just 1. That means it has to be equal to greater than or equal to 1. Now notice here, if we isolate cosine of x times x plus 1, that means that that becomes greater than or equal to 1. And we know that cosine is always less than or equal to 1, so the only option is when cosine of x times x plus 1 is equal to 1. And that happens when x is equal to 0, because in that case, this is 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the minus 0 over 2. That is just 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. And that's when the equality holds. And so this will be the case when x is 0. And that's indeed the case. Cosine of 0 in radians is 1. And therefore, there's only one solution, which is x equal to 0. So the answer is C. I just brought this question up because this is where I had seen this first. And there are other questions too where this applying the arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality to that expression is helpful, because that product becomes 1. So make sure you also review this question, and looks like they are testing these concepts that generally are using the same idea. So make sure you spot these things in the exam. And the answer to this question is C.